Hello everyone, my name is Tladi. I'm a law professor at the University of Pretoria and a member of the International Law Commission. And today I'm very happy to speak to all of you about the African Union and its role in the maintenance of international peace and security. The subject of international peace and security is obviously one that we're all talking about in light of everything that's happening these days. And we all know that the United Nations, and in particular the UN Security Council, has the primary role for the maintenance of international peace and security.